remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So I have some bison, or like some people call it, American buffalo. And this one is a sirloin. And buffalo or bison is very lean, it's very nutritious. And all I'm going to do, and you have to cook it right, otherwise it's get too hard. So because it's very lean, I'm going to cook this slightly different than others have done in the past. I'm just going to put a few drops of oil. You can use any type. I went with sunflower. I like extra virgin olive oil too. Let me use some of the excess oil. Give it a wash, a brush. And then what you're going to do, you're going to put some salt. That's all you need, salt. You're going to rub it well. Turn around and do the same thing on the other side. That's simple. So I have a cast iron. You can use any type of pan. This one I have been preheating at medium high for 2 minutes. Look at this beauty. Almost 100 years old. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use the same type of oil. You know that? What you're going to do, you're going to put a little bit, just a little bit. You don't want to wash the entire thing. You move it around. And you add your basin. And this one is relatively thin. It's about 1/4 inch. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook one side for about a minute. And then I take it from there, okay? After 1 minute, what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it around. And the other side, I'm going to cook for about 2 minutes. But I want to add some aromatics. I have some thyme. And I'm going to put some garlic. One tooth. Get those aromatics, the taste. And that flavor. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some butter. And what I'm going to do with the butter, I'm going to melt it. And then I'm going to put some on the top. Like wash it out with the butter. To give it that nice moist. See? Once again, you're doing this only for 2 minutes. Worst case, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Because if it gets too, if you make it done or well done, you won't be able to eat it. You will ruin it. And now you're going to put it to rest. It's about maybe 6-8 minutes.